Hello student, today's subject is craft and today's topic is 3D Magic City. Take A3 size paper of any color. Give the marking here 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay. Take a distance properly 10 centimeter. Again here 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 and 3 centimeter. Okay. Make a line properly like this. Again here. Okay. See, this is the margin. Okay. And then fold it just like a fan. First folding like this. And then fold it here like this. And here like this. Okay. Look like here. Okay. Fold it like this only. Just like a fan folding. Okay. See. Your 3 steps is ready here. 10 centimeter step, 6 centimeter step and 3 centimeter step. Take a green color strip and cut out this step. Okay. This is the wave line. Draw the wave line first and cut it. And paste here the second column 10 centimeter. Okay. And paste it like this. Again take a green color strip and remove the one column and paste it here. Okay. Paste like this. And last take a small strip and paste here. See, your 3 step is ready here. This is the 10 centimeter step, 6 centimeter step and this is last one 3 centimeter step is ready. Okay. Then cut out some trees and house. Okay. Draw here, take a brown paper and draw here tree trunk like this. Cut a tree trunk first. Okay. This is the tree trunk. Cut it properly. Okay. Then cut out this part. Okay. Cut it properly with the help of scissor. Cut carefully. Okay. See, your tree trunk is ready now here. Okay. See, the tree trunk is here and paste it here in green paper, on the green paper. Okay, paste it like this. Okay, and then cut the 3 green circle like this. Okay, take small light green paper and draw like this. Okay, cut it properly. Okay, cut like this, and first you have to paste the 3 circle. Paste like this, and then paste here. These shapes. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, see, your tree is ready here. Okay, it's looking like this. Stick another tree here. Okay, make like this. Draw the tree trunk first. Okay, give the texture on the tree trunk. Make some textures on the branches. Okay, see, your tree is ready, tree trunk is ready here. Cut out properly. Draw some leaves here. Draw like this. Okay, and cut it properly. Cut 10 to 15 leaves like this. Cut properly. Okay, this is the leaf shape, and take a light green paper and make a small leaves. Cut the shape properly and paste on this dark leaves. Okay, paste it like this. So your two shaded leaves is there. Cut the 10 to 15 leaves and paste on the tree trunk. Okay. Okay. Paste the leaves like this. See. Okay, make a 3 leaves bunch. See. Make a bunch like this. See, our bunch is ready here. Okay, see, our bunch is ready. Then paste on the tree trunk. Some bunch paste like this. See, your tree is now ready here. This is a different type of tree. See, now tree is ready. Make some small leaves and stick here. Stick it here like this. See, the bushy tree is ready now here. Okay, and stick it here. See, your first step is ready now. Okay, then stick here some house. Cut any types of house or building and paste it on second step. Paste it like this. Okay. Take a green paper and yellow paper for grass. Fold it like this. Okay. Then make a grass here. And cut the grass properly. Cut carefully. Okay, cut like this and open the pages and stick here the grass. Okay, stick here grass and last stage. See, your 3D magic city is ready. If you have any characters in your old drawing book, cut it. You can cut it and paste it here like this. Okay, so your 3D magic city is looking very beautiful. You can try this also. Okay, thank you.